Check that out. So that's the view from the room, and that's the strip right there. This room is so nice. It is another sunny day here in California. We are currently on the road heading to Las Vegas with the family. Having some lumpia in the car.
It's mukbang RAV4. RAV4 mukbang.
Pretty good. Look.
And chicken skin.
I also got some chicken skin.
Bullshit.
And what's that?
I don't know.
Oh wait, that's the that's called the malasadas. That's actually the Hawaiian donuts. We've got strawberry, custard, and I already forgot the other one. And we also got some baked red bean manju from this local bakery that we found here in LA. We're currently here at one of our favorite beverage spots here in LA. It's Boba time. It's a chain, but they do serve a lot of great bobas. I'm gonna get my original coffee with boba with 2 extra shots, and the rest of the family is gonna get other flavors. Definitely looking forward to this. This is one of the spots that we found when we got here in LA. Check this out. Bunch of bobas. Let's go. Alright, so I ended up getting coffee and
caramel frap.
Wait, just look at that.
Boba.
Look at the amount of that boba.
Boba.
It's about half of that. Yeah. Half of that entire drink is all boba. I just got the regular. Well, I think she ended up putting about a quarter of boba here, and Mom ended up getting
Coffee with boba.
Coffee with boba. Hot. I didn't even know that they actually made coffee, hot coffee with boba, and Kay ended up getting the same thing as well.
Caramel macchiato with boba.
Actually, I did not get caramel macchiato for you.
What?
I ended up getting coffee. Half sweet with 2 shots of espresso. I like it. On to Las Vegas. From LA to Las Vegas is only about 4 hours, but with the traffic, we're looking at about 5 hours right now. Pretty excited about seeing Las Vegas. So I have to give up control of the car to try this out right here. I've been waiting on trying this baked red bean manju from that local bakery down in LA. Pretty excited about trying this out. Baked goodies right here, looking pretty good. Time to try it. And I like how it's not that sweet. Isn't it? Yeah? Such a good snack for a road trip. So I'm definitely excited about this trip because we're gonna be staying in one of the newest and the hottest hotel in the Las Vegas area. Show you guys a tour of the room and how we ended up getting a great deal on our hotel in this trip. Malasadas. This is actually not our first time trying this out. We actually had this back in Hawaii. We ended up getting the strawberry malasada. There's a custard malasada, and I think this last one right here is mango malasada. Gonna go for the custard first. So these things are actually pretty heavy. So these are fried donuts. They're basically Hawaiian donuts. This thing has custard in it. You kind of see it right there where they put the topping or the filling. It's very good. Look at that. There's definitely a lot of custard in there. Put it in. Just crossed the state line, so we are in Nevada now. Just have about 30 minutes to go to get to Vegas. After about 2 hours of trying to find a spot to go eat here in Las Vegas, for our first night. Finally here, we found a little spot somewhere here near Decatur on the west side of the Las Vegas Strip, but it's looking pretty good. So I ended up getting this dish called sundagook, and the rest of the table pretty much ended up getting sundagook as well. Here's what Kay ended up getting.
Not spicy sundagook.
Mom ended up getting sundagook as well. And Sean, in the middle of the winter, ended up getting cold noodles. So I don't know if he's gonna finish this, but we'll find out. We also ended up getting some chokpa, which is basically pig's feet that's been cooked for a long time.
We're in Vegas. Welcome to Vegas.
This place has so many lights. It's crazy. After about 6 hours of driving, we are finally here in our hotel. We're currently staying at the Conrad here in Las Vegas. So this is actually our first time here. This is actually one of the newest hotels here in Las Vegas. Pretty nice. Check this out. So we're kind of like in their main hallway. Look at this. It's pretty empty, but man, this place looks nice. Look at how nice this hotel is. Look. Got the casino back there, which I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to take this camera with me. We actually ended up dropping off the entire gang because we don't know if the parking is gonna be bad or what, but from what it looks, it's pretty far away from everything. So I just checked in after about 30 minutes or so. 66 floors.
Oh, there's a pool at the fifth floor.
So we actually got upgraded. We were gonna stay at the Conrad.
The card, I think.
Now we're gonna This place looks very nice. This is definitely not what I expected to be staying at today, but yeah, we're staying at the CROCKFORDS. Very nice upgrade from the Hilton Honors. Into our nice room. This place is looking very nice. Check this out. So they've got a really nice closet right here. Man, the bathroom is just amazing. But let's go ahead and take a look at the main room right here. So we've got all this. I'm pretty sure these things are not free. They're not complimentary. All right, and over here, got this really nice king size bed. And over here, got this huge TV. I don't know what size that is, but that thing is huge. And they do have a surround sound set as well. And man, this place is just really nice looking. I wasn't expecting to stay in this place tonight, but we are. A pretty cool feature of this hotel. Check it out. Make it work, Sean.
Yeah, I will. There you go. It's working.
Oh wow, look at that. This is crazy. Show you guys the bathroom. Check this out. We've got this nice shower right here. They do have some toiletries as well, but man, look at this. So real quick, it's all marble. Like this shower is huge. Got two shower heads back here, and it's all made out of glass. And then over here, they've got a bunch of towels, very nice looking. And then this is the toilet. Man, this is just so nice. And from top to bottom, it's all marble. This is just over the top. So they've got this little vanity mirror. Actually is all sensor. Wave your hand and this thing lights up. This room is just over the top. It's got all kinds of features. Check this out. It actually comes with a massager. And I don't know how this works. Oh, there you go. Ah! I'm pretty sure that's not for the neck.
I wanna do it. I
I want to show you guys the outside, the view of our hotel room. So check that out. So that's the view of the strip right there. And there's the pool. So as we've mentioned in the beginning of this video, we want to go ahead and share with you guys one of the travel hacks that we've used for this trip that essentially paid us $91.68 to stay at this luxurious property in Las Vegas. And that is by having the American Express Platinum Card. So although there's a ton of credit card points and miles programs out there, we want to go ahead and specifically share with you our experience in booking this nice property in the middle of Las Vegas using the American Express Platinum Card. By having this premium travel card, we basically get access to American Express's Fine Hotels and Resorts program, which basically gives us elevated benefits to over 1,800 luxury properties worldwide. By booking our one-night stay at the Conrad through the American Express's Fine Hotels and Resorts program, we basically got a 12 noon check-in, a room upgrade, a complimentary breakfast for two valued at $33 per person, and a resort experience credit worth $125, which we ended up using to cover our breakfast. American Express also has an annual credit of $200 for Fine Hotels and Resorts bookings, which we actually ended up using for this trip. So altogether, between the amount that we paid to book our stay, plus the resort fee that we paid at the property, and all the credits that we ended up getting by having the American Express Platinum Card, we basically got paid $91.68 to stay at the Conrad in Resorts World, Las Vegas. So to learn more about the American Express Platinum Card and the American Express's Fine Hotels and Resorts program, click the link in the description below. Now back to the video. Alright, so one thing about this room that I just noticed is that here in this little sign right here, it actually says that if you remove one of these things for more than 30 seconds, your thing is gonna get charged. Yeah, pretty interesting. And they do have some more drinks down here. I'm pretty sure none of these are complimentary. I think the only thing that is complimentary is this coffee right here, which is the Nespresso. I've actually never tried Nespresso before, so definitely looking forward to trying this tomorrow morning. But yeah, so far this place looks very nice, very luxurious. Oh, and actually, so I didn't even notice this. So there is actually a chandelier inside the bathroom. Like seriously, who does that? This room is nice. Okay, in-room massage. That feels awesome. Look at that. Alright, so I think I just found my next Christmas gift to myself in the next couple days. It's gonna be one of these. We are back out in the hallway, trying to find our way. Okay, this is the wrong way. Go ahead and check out this property. It's a very nice property. And the good thing about this property, if you've got status with Hilton honors, it actually flows over. So if you're a gold and diamond, that's actually pretty awesome. You do get, you know, some upgrades depending on the time. So right now we're gonna go up to the 66th floor. We have just arrived at the top, or actually I don't think this is the top, but this is a lounge on the 66th floor at Resorts World. Check this out. Such an unbelievable view. the next day here in Las Vegas. Still currently here at Resorts World. We're having a breakfast buffet here, currently at the kitchen. This is actually all complimentary. First plate here, got a little bit of each of the items that they've got there. Ended up getting the eggs Benedict, sausage, bacon, and they also have smoked salmon right here. Looks pretty good. Just took a quick nap. Time to go. Record something. Check that out. So that's the view. That's the strip right there, right behind us. This room is so nice. So as much as we love this room, it is time for us to go. Are you sad to leave this room? Such a nice room.
Bye, room.